Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Southside Businessmen's Club Car Show at the USS Orleck in Downtown Jacksonville. And this is the Grand Tour. We're going to take you around, talk about some of the cars that are there. It was a good little show, about 36 cars. Not a big show by any means, but not small. We enjoyed it, so we're bringing it to you and hope you guys enjoy it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, we're going to take you on the grand tour of the Southside Businessmen's Car Show. And check this beast out. A Chevrolet C60. Looks like it might have a dump bed on it, or just a flatbed. Not sure if it's still got original Detroit power, but I doubt it. Kind of sounded like it had been Cummins swapped or something. But it's cool nonetheless. Yeah, this is a Chevelle sponsored show, so there's going to be a lot of Chevelles here.
You don't get air conditioning when you're outside in a parking lot.
Oh man, look at this C10 that's been sectioned or chopped or whatever you want to say. That cab is tiny. Chevelles of all years out here. I kind of like this Camaro up here. And of course they got the electric Volkswagen van out here. Lindsay Pest Control. Whatever. That's a real nice looking Fox body right there. Oh, and we got the Orange Squadron Camaro out here. And he's getting quite a collection of stuff there with it. Oh, gotta hold up, I gotta take a picture. Alright. See if I can.
And we had a winner. Okay, here's one by the Outsiders.
All right, we can resume now. I know I've said it on a previous video, but every time I see one of these Corvettes, I think of True Lies, where Schwarzenegger scares the ever-loving you-know-what out of Bill Paxton. The slimy used car guy. But look at this. How often do you see a blue Trans Am? You don't. More Chevelles.
Yeah, ours is a lot of original.
Nice looking Jeep. And the Honda powered Mini Cooper. Hold up a second. Saw a picture I gotta take. Nice old Econoline. I don't know what they were thinking when they designed them things. They must have been high on something. The fan in the front, truck in the back don't make no sense to me. Of course, like I said, I wasn't a designer. So. Anyway, ooh, look over here. So, that's going to wrap up this grand tour of the Southside Businessmen's Car Show. It's not bad. A little on the small side, but not too bad. Let's just say it's not as big as I'm used to. Anyway, bigger than the last one I was out here for, so that's a bonus. Anyway, that's going to wrap it up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Southside Businessmen's Club Car Show at the USS Orleck. We enjoyed our time at the show. We hope you guys enjoyed taking this video of us being at the show and taking you out with us. So, if you did enjoy it, don't forget to drop us a like, comment, subscribe, share it around to all your friends. Share it to your car people and non-car people. We don't discriminate on this channel. Everybody likes cool cars, right? Anyway, we're trying to get to 500 subscribers, and any help you guys would be able to give on that would be great. And like I say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We'll keep going out to the car shows, and we'll take you along with us. So stay tuned for the next one.